Do you know what is GST, when and why it was introduced, and how it is benefiting trade and industry, and how it is benefiting customers or the end consumers? Hello friends, my name is Ashish Miglani and it is going to be an interesting video, so I request you do not skip any part of it and watch till the end. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that if in future we upload any video, you get the notification of that and you don't miss any of it. So let's get started. What is GST? GST is known as Goods and Service Tax. It is an indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes in India like service tax, excise tax, central excise duty. The GST journey began somewhere in the year around 2000 when when a committee was formed to draft the law, and the GST was passed in the Parliament on 29th of March 2017 and it came into effect on 1st of July 2017. It is a destination based tax, and if you are supplying goods intra-state, like within a state, then central CGST and SGST will be charged, and if you are supplying goods or service interstate, like outside the state, then IGST will be charged. Under the GST regime, the GST is levied on every point of sale. Let us understand this with the help of example. For example, a manufacturer makes cakes for which he buys cream, sugar and other material, and then manufacturer sells this cakes to retailer or the bakery shop. Then the retailer adds his margin and the GST is levied on that value addition. Now then, why it was introduced? To merge majority of indirect taxes. Like for example, there is a tax levied by the central government on the manufacturer, that is central excise duty. Then there is a provision for the CST that is also levied by the central government. Then state government levies VAT, and there is also a tax on the entry of goods when goods are moving from one state to another, that is entry tax. Then purchase tax, luxury tax. There are numerous of taxes which were there before GST. Now there was cascading of taxes, that is tax on tax levied by the central government, and they are not available to set off against the taxes levied by them. What is the advantages of to trade and industry? There is increase of ease of doing business. There is reduction of double taxation on certain sectors like works contract, software and hospitality sector. It is simplified and automated procedure for certain things like registration, tax payments, refunds, return filing process. Now what are the advantages to consumers? The final price of the product will be transparent. The reduction in the price of goods and commodities in long run. There is large amount of small retailers which will be exempted, and some suffer low tax rate under composition scheme. Now if you like the video, I request you please click on the like button, which will give us the motivation and encourage us to make such useful videos like this for you. And if you have any comment or any query, I would be more than happy to assist you, and do share among with your friends and colleagues. Till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.